A special feature, how to use the Mainsteam Models website. This is an entirely new Mainsteam Models website and it was created in April 2019 by Daniel Hartley of Visual Trailer Limited, and it's considerably different to the previous one. It's miles better than the first website, which I built by myself many years ago. This is a magnified view so you can see it in more detail. Across the top of the home page, underneath the logo that I've cut off for the purposes of this magnified view, you can see the menu from Home at one end to Keith's Pages at the other, and whichever part of the menu bar turns green is where you currently are. This is a screenshot of the home page itself, so the word Home is green. And if, for instance, you want to go to the video playlist page, you have a choice. You can either click the text across the top bar, or click anywhere in the square that says Video Playlists. I'm going to show this in order from left to right, so the first thing I want to look at is About. So I've clicked the word About, it's turned green, and now you're on a page called About Mainsteam Models. And at this point I think I should include a health and safety notice. Caution, there is a photograph of me on this page. But it could be worse, it could be this one. I generally pin this photograph to the door on Halloween night to make trick-or-treaters think twice before knocking. It could be worse, I could have used this photograph, the Keith Appleton version of a selfie. So this is the Mainsteam Models About Me or About Mainsteam Models page, and it contains a link to an introduction video that I made. The next link to turn green is Steamboats, and this is fairly self-explanatory. It's all about steamboats, and it has details of how to purchase my DVD set. And the next in the menu is Gallery, a selection of photographs taken quite a while back really. I do need to update this, which I will do when I get the time. The main reason that I had the website updated was to include this: a comprehensive, easy to follow link to every video on my YouTube channel. Not just the playlists that play automatically, but also the individual videos within the playlist, so you can look through the playlist, select a video that you want to watch and click on it and up it comes. This playlist, for instance, is Model Engineering for Beginners with 21 videos, and there's also a subscribe button, but this doesn't cost you anything. It just subscribes to the YouTube channel, so every time I put a video on YouTube, they send you a communication saying Keith Appleton has put a new video on YouTube. This is a very easy way to navigate YouTube to get to the video that you want to see. This is a very important part of the website to keep your eye on. It's the For Sale section. This is where I sell things, and at the moment the only thing that's for sale is this collection of engines that belong to a friend of mine, which is nothing whatsoever to do with me. So if you look at this advert, please do not contact me. Do as it says on the advert, contact the seller, my friend. Another useful feature is the Model Steam Links section. This is a very useful list to have. It's various Steam-related websites on the internet, well apart from my Academy Studio website. That's okay if you're into recording studios and music. All of these links are safe and none of them go to dodgy websites, so there's no chance of seeing something through these links that you don't want to see. And the next button to turn green on the heading is Contact. This is a simple contact form that sends a message to me. I'm going to magnify this image. Please note that I do not offer a free model valuation service or free general advice. This does not apply to my Patreon supporters. The general rule is if you support me, I will support you, within reason and within the realm of reality. Briefly going back to the Home section, if you click on the first button that says Home and then scroll down to the bottom, you can see the Patreon section. And if you click on the Patreon section, it takes you to Patreon and explains what it's all about. It's a fixed monthly payment and the minimum is $1, so that really helps me out. Without my Patreon supporters, I just could not afford to spend so many hours per week making these videos, and you would be surprised how many hours it actually takes to make these videos every day. Very shortly, I'm going to have a really good look at Patreon. Currently, there are perks for Patreon supporters, but they're a bit hard to find. I'm going to put a reward structure in place. For instance, Patreon supporters can see every episode in all the series of How to Build a Model Steam Launch, as well as the video series How to Build a Model Steam Engine. These are not available for public viewing on YouTube, and very soon I'm going to have to drop the YouTube videos down to one per week. but the Patreon videos will be one almost every day, as usual. The minimum fee of $1, I think, is about 77 pence, or something very near that depending on the exchange rate, and it's not a lot for a month's viewing of a video every day. There is now a special area of the Mainsteam Models website, and it's called Keith's Pages. And in this Keith's Pages area are many interesting things. First of all, things about my workshop, and then Steam Chat, general things about steam engines. Some have been submitted by viewers. They're not videos or links, all these are sort of articles explaining things of interest. This is the My Workshop page, and it contains quite a lot of information all about my workshop and how I got into the hobby in the first place. And then I have Steam Chat, which covers quite a lot of very interesting steam topics. And then I have my Land Rover page. A few years ago I was obsessively into old Land Rovers. I had a couple of them, one that I bought and the other one I built myself. And in the model aircraft section of Keith's Pages is plenty of information about radio-controlled model aircraft. As quite a few viewers by now should know, I am a musician, and for that reason I include my Hammond organ page, which contains a lot of really useful information about Hammond organs. So that's about it. All I can say is the video playlists is the most important section of the website. You should find this a very useful way to get around the system amongst the multitude of videos that I've put on YouTube over the years. But I do ask you not to forget Patreon. I can only do this with financial support. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful.